Bangkok, baby. Bangkok, baby. Walking in Bangkok. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Walking in Bangkok. Ooh, through the streets. Meandering in the streets. Ooh, streets of Bangkok. Walking those damn cool streets of Bangkok. Walking, walking, walking. Just walking, walking, walking. Ooh, walking those old beautiful streets of Bangkok.
Okay, we're gonna be walking down this cool looking street with the trees and these kind of interesting apartments. Got some beautiful artwork right in here, and you can also see the building and how beautiful that looks, all the art. And for some reason it looks like it's closed. I don't know if it is or not, but we're gonna be walking down it. And let's just put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are before we start on our little journey here, showing you slices of what Bangkok looks like. There's a hospital over there. Okay, stay tuned. Up on the map. We are in Bangkok. And let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are in the city. And just so you know, I'll be putting up a different slice of Bangkok from different streets every few days. So keep looking and you'll see some new ones. Okay, let's go check out Bangkok as if you're there yourself. Okay. And the other thing that's interesting about this one is the street that we're gonna be just grabbing our street where we're at. But there's also a hospital right there, and then there's this beautiful looking building with all the windows out. It's amazing. It's like something you'd see in like Philadelphia or probably London or something, I don't know. But anyways, our street name is right there, but we'll probably get a better view of it in another location. These lights. Yeah, that building looks amazing. Capturing all the trees and the feeling of it. Yeah, and then this one has some rooftops up the top as well. You can see all the rooftops all the way up to the top. Okay, and it's also lined with nice, beautiful trees. And we have the hospital right there. Bamrung Hospital. Bamrung. Okay, so let's see what we got. I like these nice big sidewalks here. Here's a little thing to pick up tourists. I wonder if those are like only tourists, or what if locals ever get in them. I feel like tourists get in them and they probably pay a price that they could actually just get into a nice taxi. But locals, I don't know, they get in the motorbikes probably? I don't know, tourists get on motorbikes too. So. If you're curious, I usually get on, I usually just take the taxis, like a vehicle. She's crossing the street. There's a Pizza Hut right there. Yeah, these apartments are pretty cool looking. I see a lot of this style. Oh, that lady did walk across. So yeah, that one lady walked across with a flower. So we got a Pizza Hut right here. Okay. And then on the other side too, we have these same kind of colorful apartment buildings. They're like little blocks. We should put like balconies, like beautiful balconies. It'd be a nice addition. Must be some reason they don't put beautiful balconies on them. There's a, I think it's like a motorcycle scooter shop. Ucole. So that's our cross street right here. Kind of beautiful buildings, beautiful neighborhood. Chevalier House. pretty cool. That sidewalk looks kind of messy right there. The sidewalks have been pretty good around this whole area. But that one is, these particular buildings look like they could use a paint job. Yeah, you hit that sidewalk, right? So those sidewalks are a little bit disjointed in this particular spot. So it looks like what they did is they kind of had maybe another sidewalk and then they just built this really nice one, but there's a little bit of a transition. And there's also some some drainage right here too, so the water will drain right off. So maybe this might be in a traditionally maybe a flood zone, maybe, and then this drains into the building, into those. This guy's parked way up here. I guess people are parking on the sidewalk a little bit too. I guess they park to the side, so somehow they get up on these streets and then they'll park in here. So I guess they go right up the curb. Wow. But some of these actually have parking spaces. That one didn't park right, but it looks like they have, like, for some reason they're parking the other way. It must be hard to do that. So basically, I guess what they'd have to do is climb over this curb somehow. That curb is pretty big. Or they sneak through in the sides. Maybe they sneak through in these areas. Huh, can they drive all the way down and park like that on this street? That one guy seemed like, but so you can see they can't really get up on that curb like that. Okay, anyways. We're just kind of getting a little bit in depth for, so I guess people are coming up through these little things. So maybe some cars actually go up and through it on that. Okay, we're gonna try to cross our street here. It's crazy. So this street is kind of a small, narrow little space, and I don't see any cars parked up here like I saw on the other street. So I guess that's interesting in itself. In case you're wondering, what I usually do is I have YouTube videos in Macau, and I'm usually filming Macau and kind of documenting the city streets because Macau is changing so much, and business keep changing, and it just kind of becomes more unrecognizable every 5 years. It just keeps transforming, so it's kind of a great time to capture it in time for posterity's sake. And then when I travel, like I am now, I'm in Bangkok, I'll bring the camera with me and also film just kind of random streets. You know, I won't target the heavy tourist, I might, but I won't focus on the heavy tourist streets. I usually will try to capture just kind of random streets, kind of like I am now. And then in that way I can kind of capture the feeling of what different things look like. Because otherwise, you know, everybody's just like the same places. All your videos you're watching, they're all on Soy Cowboy or on Nana Plaza or Kosan Road, and then that's sort of like, those are just like three little small tiny little microcosm areas of the whole city. That looks really beautiful. But if you want a more deeper context of what the city looks like, you know, there's videos like this one that'll get more into all the other stuff in the city too, because the city has a lot to offer. And sometimes it's tiring just to be, you know, in with all the tourists all the time, going to the same places that all the tourists are doing. It's great if it's like your first time to go, of course that's what you want. But sometimes people, you know, they want to get more in depth. And then that's where something like this comes in handy. So, so you get more of a context of what some of these streets look like. Yeah, this street looks like people do come up on the sides and they'll park up there. So I guess that's how they do it. There's a big enough entrance spot. So what I want to do now is I want to come to the end of this video shortly, and to do this what I'm going to need to do is find out what street I'm on. And I probably have to look at a map for that. You see all these little soys like this. All the postings for the streets that we're on, they're all well, they have all been on the other side, so I haven't been able to put my camera right up to the name of the street. I feel like I'm walking more into the Chinatown area. There's like antique shops right in here. So I think I'm going to keep the camera. Okay. The camera overheated. So I just want to conclude this one. We just walked just a short little distance, and now we're changed. The feeling of the street has changed quite a bit, and now we're coming into all these little like shop houses. I feel like I'm kind of connecting into some other neighborhood that I've walked before, and so what I'm going to try to do is find the street sign for here, and I think we're going to see it up on the corner here, and then I'll just come to a conclusion of it. I think it's right there. Let's see if there's one over here. If not, I want to capture what the street looks like anyways. Okay. Try to go across here. And then the name of the street is right here. So that's the street that we just walked on right there. We came out to this whole other area with a lot of kind of cool looking stuff everywhere. So anyways, we're going to come to an ending. Let me just whole other feeling over here. Okay, so we'll end our video.